Fyxer AI tutorial and review, features, walkthrough, and more. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're diving into an exciting AI-powered tool called Fyxer AI. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or entrepreneur, you'll want to stick around to see how this platform works, its key features, and whether it's worth your time and money. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. So what exactly is Fyxer? Simply put, Fyxer is an AI-driven platform designed to help you create, optimize, and manage your content effortlessly. It leverages cutting-edge artificial intelligence to simplify tasks like content creation, generation, editing, and even SEO optimization. If you've ever felt stuck creating content or struggled to get your content noticed, Fyxer could be a game changer for you. Now, let's break down some of their standout features, and then we're going to jump right in and do a quick walkthrough of Fyxer AI. So some of its primary features include AI content generation, where you can easily create blog posts, social media posts, video scripts, emails, and more with only a few clicks. You also have SEO optimization tools, which allow you to analyze and optimize your content to rank better with recommended keywords and readability improvements. You have content templates that you can access, and these are a wide variety of professionally designed templates for different content types. This speeds up your workflows pretty much to reduce, some of the standards that you're building, because building, daily content and having those templates available is really simplified. You also have collaboration and project management, where you can work seamlessly with sharing drafts, adding comments, managing revisions right within their platform. And you have real-time editing and suggestions with AI-powered grammar, style, and tone suggestions as you write, as well as integration capabilities with Google Drive, WordPress, Zapier, and more. So to get started, simply click on Start Free Trial to get started with the Fyxer AI platform. After that, you can sign up with Google, Microsoft, or if you have an account, you can log on. I'm just going to be proceeding with Google over here for my quick and easy sign up. And you're just going to select your business account or your work account, whatever you're signing up for. And then you're just going to continue on and provide it with the basic permissions that it requires. Now let's take a quick walkthrough. So starting off, we're going to continue with Gmail over here. And we're just going to continue on and link our Gmail, and then we're going to provide it with all of the relevant permissions that it requires. And then after that, you can choose if you want to take notes and summarize meetings. I'm going to turn this on, and we're going to opt for monthly. I am going to start a free trial. So in 12 days, you will have a Gmail reminding you that your free trial is ending. And then after that, you can proceed. Now you can skip this offer as well. This will give you their basic pricing plan, but we're just going to proceed on over here, and we're just going to complete this information. So now, once we've completed our billing information, we can start with inviting our team members, but I'm just going to skip on ahead. And just like so, we will have our Fyxer AI space. Now, on the left, we can get started with our first project, and you guys can see we have email categorization, drafts, meetings, scheduling, and then your chat, which is currently in beta mode right now, which is their AI tool where you can search for meetings and emails within your mailbox. On your top left, where you have your organization space, you can directly click on over here and click on New Organization to build a brand new organization where you can represent your company or a individual business. Now to get started, we're going to go into categorization, and we're going to proceed with adding a few categories. So marketing, auction, awaiting reply, meeting updates, notifications, comments, FYI, as well as to respond. And then after that, we have alternative email. So specify other email addresses you send apart from your main email address. Then we have AI sensitivity. So how often do you like to reply? Very often or rarely, as well as which email should Fyxer filter as marketing, obvious, irrelevant. So I want to go with unknown senders, newsletters, as well as anything that is not directly useful for my work. I'm just going to opt for this. Obviously, the more stringent you make it, this is going to filter out maybe too many emails, so you want to make sure you're not filtering too much. And then you're going to click on configuration, and then your preferences will be updated. Then you guys can see your draft replies. So you can enter your draft prompt as well as your email signature, font size, font color, and then your follow-ups. And then you have your meetings. So you can click on all meetings and view your meetings. You have meeting recordings as well as ad hoc meetings, where Fyxer AI will join all calendar events with a meeting link by default. You can also refine determine which meetings Fyxer is going to be joining by choosing from the options below. Then after that, you also have scheduling. So whenever someone sends you an email asking to meet, they will use Fyxer.ai will use your calendar to pick the best time for your meeting and send a response for your meeting update with your calendar. And this automates your meetings as well. This is going to save you a ton of time with fast AI meetings as well as AI generated emails. Now let's view this within our mailbox because that is where we're going to find a lot of the Fyxer AI tools. So you guys can see directly Fyxer AI has one to respond, then it has social updates, promotions, and right here on the left you guys can see a few labels have been created, and I'm going to remove some of my older labels like so, just like so. And to respond, FYI, comment, notifications, meeting updates, so on and so forth. So just like so, we can have our mailbox be organized, and whenever I'm going to click on compose over here, I can proceed with any templates as well as setting up times to meet as well. And this is just going to schedule and make sure everything is simplified for you. Now, Fyxer AI is no longer just a tool to help you with your meetings. It's now a tool that is going to help you as a blogger, marketer, or a business owner because it is going to be just your all-in-one content tool. So let's say I want to search for billing in my emails. And then just like so, it is going to search for billing within your emails, so on and so forth. Now, you can proceed with asking it specific topics, specific questions as well, and it is going to reply accordingly. And if you're looking for a certain follow-up, if you're looking for your conversations with one specific person, it's able to scan your email and reply accurately. So it is an overall tool that is going to help your productivity. But sometimes the AI generated text needs substantial editing for nuance and accuracy. The pricing might be a bit high for solo entrepreneurs, and advanced SEO features are limited. And because it's AI based, if you have a very niche or technical topic within your emails, then it's not going to be the best AI tool for you. So who exactly is this for? Well, if you're a blogger, marketer, or small business owner looking to speed up content creation as well as making sure you have consistent communication, Fyxer AI is going to help you in doing so. All in all, Fyxer is a powerful AI content assistant and email assistant, but that can serve as your personal assistant or VA. It boosts your productivity and content quality, and if you want to give it a try, I'll leave a link in the description down below. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.